Ready, everybody, Southwest ready. Look at me, support ha. Southwest ready. Okay, wait, not yet. On me, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hit me now.
Ubus yan.
Good job.
Putang
Spread
ina.
out.
Abusin niyo na,
Defense ready. Yo, how many? Okay, come back north.
Bashing na.
Yo, come back north. Ready on the backline. Gig pass, guys. Pass, everybody pass. Come north.
Putang ina nyo. Demon solo. Let's
On
go.
On me, everybody, on me. Defense ready. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hit me now.
Big.
Come north, guys. Chill. Come north, guys. Chill. Come north. Yo, heal.
Binobral yung loob natin, Ken.
Yo, heal nyo lang. It's fine. Heal nyo lang. Careful, don't go too deep. We kite northeast. We kite. On me, ready? DPS on me. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hit me now. Then come back north. Defensive ready.
Engage, friend. Engage na.
Yo, defensive. Heal. HY, mamamatay ka na. Gagi ka, HY. Come north, everybody come north. Tell me see this. Inside only. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hit me. It's big. Oy, walang damage. Ano yan?
Brolin nyo. Huwag nyo kayaan tumakas.
No. Oy,
Okay.
no. Come back.
Come back muna. Position.
Ang
lag. Gago talaga.
Mana. Fuck. Hindi ko naabutan.
Come back north.
Gago, ayaw na nila.
Walk. Everybody walk.
Hindi yan.
Mumotarong ka sa labas. Gago.
Mamatay si Momo. Ano ginagawa mo dyan, Momotaro?
Dahil nga sa north, no?
18 DA pa sila.
Nasa east siya.
Sa wall ka, Momotaro. Sa wall ka.
Yan, come back north. Everybody. Yo,
Uy.
Kang healers din, doon kala.
Come north. Yo, ready on me. Deep left tank on this left tank on me, ha. And then we turn back, okay?
May guard rune pa.
We turn back. Overdole on this guy. Wait, guys. Each way, look us sa west side, ha. Come back each way. Come back na.
Sige.
Come back lang kayo.
Come back muna, huy.
Okay, engage.
Patay.
Patay kayo dyan.
Uy, ako, putang ina mo.
Nano ako?
Come north.
Nano ako?
Come north. Yes, come north lang. Come north.
HY. Heal HY.
On me, guys. On me, ha. On me. Click
Uy,
it.
Pahil. Putang ina nyo, Pahil.
Click it. Sinabihan ko na kayo. Click it. On me. On ka rate. 5, 4, 3, 2. Gate. Come back north. Sabi ko sa inyo, HY.
Patay si Renaki.
Come back north. Ang dami niyan, pre. Hindi kayo nakikinig sa akin. Defensive.
Kinembot.
Good job.
Parang zombie apocalypse.
Mga pasok, bravo. Gago, ang hirap.
Defense ready?
Ganda ng laban.
May pasabi sa akin kung ready kayo.
Ready.
Guys, focus muna.
RP, pasabi sa akin. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hit me now. Okay, defense ready.
Back, guys.
Back. Defend. Engage. Don't go.
Let's stop po, sige.
Walang kwenta, gago.
Stop po, ah.
Yo, walang maingay. Tell me see this. RB.
Need mana.
RB.
Need mana. Come in the ladder.
Guys, we go northwest after this. We go northwest. We not go
Stairs.
southwest, right? Oh,
Basag na.
we go northwest. Northwest.
Yo, Kalimbot, naglag. Gago.
Northwest, guys.
Naglag ako.
Di ako naglalag. Tinitignan ko sa side pupunta. Nagsa-southwest pa rin kayo. On me, ready?
Northwest gate, guys. Gate.
2. Hit me now. Oh, come back northwest. Northwest gate.
Pat.
Gago, nag-disconnect ako.
Pats. Huwag na maingay, please. Pats. Everybody pats. Okay. Come northwest gate. Click gate. Guys, click gate. You can click gate.
Lazy ako. Fuck.
Click gate, please. Click gate. You can click it, right? Okay, good job. Okay, tell me see this on me. South is ready. Yo, don't go too deep, ha. Okay, on me, south.
Kevin, mana.
On me, south. Yo.
Mana.
Okay, we go west. Guys, come back. We go west. Okay, look southeast right now. Go karo pahilo ko. Southeast right now. Yo, southeast right now, ha. Not yet. We turn back, okay? After we engage. Okay, let them engage first. We click gate if they pull push, okay? We click gate if they pull push. Andra, wag malalim. Tingnan sige kilo hanggang ngayon wala pa. That's a fake.
Fake. Fuck. Robin, pa-cover ako ng demon.
Oh, you roll the one inside. Hello? The north side done.
Robin, cover for demon. I use my demon.
Wait, they're coming.
In.
Okay, on me is guys, on me is We gonna brawl inside we gonna brawl inside. No. We're dying on this. Okay, east on me And then, defense ready. On me is, ba't nag-live course agad? Defense ready, come back. Yo, brawl the one side. Guys, click it. They coming. Click it. Click, pats. Si Ape. Namatay siya na yan. Wala.
Patay si, ano?
Look on me. Last engage. 5, 4, 3, 2. Engage on me now. Last engage.
NG kami.
Puta ko.
Nice!
Spread now. Brawl down. Brawl them. Patay caller. Brawl them.
They're running.
Spread, they're running. They're gonna run. Promise. Spread and roll. You can do it. Don't loot. Kirito, putang inang looter talaga. Spread. Look southeast now. Look southeast.
Brimbam.
Look southeast now. On me. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2. Just hit me. Solo them. Okay, defense ready right now. Keep healing.
Ayan guys, ayan.
Keep healing. Yo, defend north. Yo, Chia, ba't kayo loot ba kayo dyan? Careful.
Loot.
Spread. Engage. Yo, hinyo. Careful. Keep rolling inside. Okay, look north on guys. Yung north side on me. Okay, southeast on me. Inside only. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hit me. Okay, come back northwest guys.
May engage sila.
Click it again. Careful, they have engaged. On the J, careful. Gordon. Defend. Okay, pull push now. HY. Pile ako sa HY. Good job. Pull push, everybody pull push. Wala na to.
May ulti na ka na boy.
Sa HY, sa southwest HY. Walang healer dyan HY.
Ay, hindi naman no.
Yo, inside. 5. Inside.
Ano, pasok sa which way?
3, 2. Hit me now.
Wala akong mana.
Oy,
Hindi ako makahila.
Click it muna. Kirito.
Lumana.
Yo, heal nyo si Kirito. Mamamatay yan. Click it, guys. Southwest.
Sabi mo,
Wala
yung
na
gulabit.
Mana. Mana on me.
Ano ako
Charging Thunder.
Wala na tayo RB. Fuck, wala tayo dami.
Paano ako buhay? Sige,
Okay,
kaya ko.
let's go. We go in again. Careful.
Top to pre ako pala.
Already have mana healer.
Oops. Yeah, mana healer.
Okay.
Ready hub.
Okay.
Si
on me
Revamp,
is-
get out.
Yo, careful ah. Si Revamp, nangyari kay Revamp. Uy, Revamp, pumano ka dyan?
Naglalag ako.
Bilis.
Naglalagakal.
Tulungan ka.
Ako na heal dyan.
Yo, careful inside. Okay, brawl now, everybody.
Nice G.
Careful, they have engage. Defend ready. Yo, longbow, may longbow. Careful on me. Okay, on me. On the other color. 5, 4, 3, 2. Just hit me. The color. Okay, come back west.
Nice.
Patay color kan.
Spread. Defensive ready. They have still engaged. Okay, walking now. Everybody walking now. Burst them. Yo,
Ito yung yung...
surround them, guys. Surround them.
Walk in.
Surround, guys. You're not on the middle, okay?
Spread. Spread.
Spread.
Oops, Andra.
Anra, need some heals.
Andra.
West.
Back,
Okay, look to me,
Andra.
look to me. Defense ready? 5,
Bro.
4, 3, 2. Defense now.
Big!
Laki ng frame.
Putang ina, boss.
Defense ready.
Gitaro, back muna.
Defense ready. Click it if you can.
Gitaro. Wala ko mana.
Fuck. Need help.
Yo, Robin.
Kaya meron ka, may defensive ka.
Okay, look is now.
Day walking.
Matubol sila.
Yo, healers.
Tumatakbo na.
Yo, mamamatay kayo dyan ha pag nang-engage ha. Anra.
Kaya, pa-hold. Draft tank.
Engaging.
Oh my gosh.
Andra. Oops.
Ginaday.
Gago, patay siya.
Look is on me.
Patay si Night Raven.
5, 4, 3, 2. Solve them. Putang ina niyo, free.
Wala ka ng DPS kill. Wala nang spike.
Ay, sige, Lemboy pa yung nakapatay.
Spread now.
Can I get heals? West.
Back, Ridas, gagi.
Ah, shit.
Green Dust, mamatay si Green Dust. Patay si Green Dust.
Oil! Putik
Lumana, lumana.
Wala nang healer, wala nang healer, wala nang
Stabilize,
healer.
stabilize,
May healer ka ba?
stabilize na, stabilize.
Healer, I'm here.
Lumana, lumana.
Still alive.
Si Go Karo, si Go Karo, si Go Karo. Kirito ito rin, sa north side.
Patay ako, patay ako.
Si Kirito north side, si Kirito north side, si Kirito north side.
Stabilize muna, stabilize muna.
Pwede pa yung mana gagi na sa ko. Gagi ka, boy.
Come here, West, come here. Mana.
Yo, click it, guys.
Ligate.
Click it.
Ah, gagi.
Ligate. Mana ni.
Yo, on me.
Sige, tinatakot ko sila.
OC. On me on the middle. 5, 4, 3, 2. On the middle. Ano nangyari? Si Rebang ka naman?
Wala na.
Wala ka ng DPS, Kel.
Careful. Defense ready. Careful. Yo, mag-click kayo.
Kabalatan nyo to. Kawawa ka, boy. Dito ka.
Pila.
Amen.
Need mana.
Here. Outside, west, outside.
Revamp,
Need
gag.
mana.
Legit.
Do not run, revamp. Fuck.
Rebang, pag ka tumakbo, pre, takbo ka ng takbo sa amin. Grabe naman, Rebang.
Rebam. Mamat kayo dyan.
Okay, paano nga si Rebang pa-holy, paano siya para-awaken dito? Ano na, Rebang?
Northwest.
Sorry. Lag boss.
Yo, they're looking.
Pumasok muna kayo sa gate, wait for Kel.
Northeast kayo. Click it kayo, Northeast.
Ako na may revamp na. Ay, may revive na.
Meron si
Okay.
Yo, on me southwest.
Patayin to, na-trap to.
Defensive.
Where?
Ang Fasa, let's mount up, Let's mount up. Yung Fasa.
Yeah,
Mount up.
southwest ready on me. Guys, southwest ready on me. Maki-clear na ba yung castle lord? Di pa na.
Hindi pa.
Wala pa.
Okay, on me guys, on me. On me.
Ay, patayan, healer.
Ayan, di makapasok.
Okay, ready?
Hindi
5,
makapasok.
3, 2, hit now.
Sige, hino-hold call
Yeah,
sila.
nice one.
Okay. Wala tayong
No,
either.
ano sila, pre? Nasa chest sila. Chest room sila.
Mamatay na ba yung castle lord?
Ay, tatlong healer pa tayo, tagal.
Meron pa.
Nawawalan lang ng mana, Kel. Nawawalan lang ng mana.
Oh.
Mana mo.
Stabilize naman tayo. Sige, okay na.
Okay, GG. G na?
Sige,
Okay.
2 seconds, ha.
Pre, binabanat.
If need ng mana, ang cam lang west gate.
Okay, let's go. Everybody. The castle lord ko na ano. Okay, castle lord done ha. Castle lord done. Okay, on me guys. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2. Just hit me. Okay, click it again. One depth ang stay on the ano ha. Apparent siya, mamamatay kayo dyan. Apparent siya stay.
Sige.
Sinong kaya mag-stay? HY, mag-stay ka nga sa
Ako,
castle lord.
mag-stay ko muna.
Okay, everybody we go north.
Yeah,
Everybody.
just drop it. Just for going the west only.
Nakastay lang ako,
I keep dropping there.
Sige lang, sige.
I will check your mana.
Everybody,
Just focus sa going in the gate.
Everybody, we go north.
Happy.
Pre.
Sino nag-hold sa castle?
Ako na.
Okay, everybody. Sige na, Apem. Mount up ka na, Apem. Bilis na, mount up na. Guys, everybody, mount
sige.
up. Mount up.
Okay,
Okay,
tayo.
Oh, one more. We
Patay
do
si
one.
Andra.
Mount up. Ayaw mo na kana. Tara, pre, mga skillation. No regard for those people that died in the first place. Okay? Let's go.
Gagi, tapos pa pala.
Out na tayo. Okay.
bro. Win fight yun.
Wala, pre, no yung namatay agad sa atin. Si siya na yata yung namatay agad.
5DA na.